guess I'm not the only one that's going to Costco on a Sunday. Uh-oh. Everybody and their mom out here. And now when you go to Costco, you have to scan your card. Which to me, who cares? Because when you get to the register, you need a card, right? So I don't know what the purpose is behind that. But let's get ready to go. I would love to get them a blender because they like making smoothies. But I know every blender that I buy, they break. Every single one. Yeah, I believe this is the backpack that oh, this ain't no backpack. Oh, it's a rifle case. My bad. Okay. I like that. This right here, you can do 2 things. Oh, you can't open it. Whatever. But that's kind of cool. I know I'm supposed to be coming for steak bites, but I think I'm going to get this rug. They're $13. I hate that they're not on sale. I like to see that little yellow sticker that says it's on sale, but I need rugs for my bathroom. And I think I'm going to get this one. Get 2 of these. One for me and one for Big O side. Grab some broccoli. The last blueberries I think I got them from Aldi's. I think I'm gonna stick with Aldi's because they were so freaking good. Well, you know what though? No, they're $5.40. The organic ones are $7. I might just get them from here, and if they don't taste good, I can just bring them back. But the ones I got from Aldi, oh my God, those blueberries taste so darn good. I like putting these. I just like eating them. I eat them like grapes now. And then I want to, speaking of grapes, I want to get some, so I don't know if anybody else do this, but I need to know they hard. Yeah, they are. I like them crispy grapes. I don't like those soggy grapes. Okay, let's go get the steak. And what are we getting? Steak and something else. Oh, steak and butter for sure. And some yogurt. This is all pork. Oh, I need some beef. Where's the beef? What is lamb chops? Where's the beef? Oh, they put the beef over here. I was about to say we already got some salmon. So we're gonna do salmon and we're going to do steak. Bites. So I'll probably get some from here. We'll do the ribeye. Okay, I'm trying to decide because this is like, it's $70. Like, and then I'm just like trying to calculate if they went to school and I had to pay for lunch, how much lunch would cost. So this one is $59. So we divide that into 5 days. They can eat off of 1, 2. No, I don't think this is a good deal. I need to find some other kinds of steak. Well, here is these are thinner cuts right here, but they cost more. I need it to last 2 weeks for this to make sense. Because this is expensive, but I need for them to have a higher protein diet. And I know they like steak bites. I don't know what the heck I'm choosing, but I think we're gonna do the beef loin. What is this? Beef loin flat meat steak. It's a lot of people in here, y'all. Oh, see, no, this is what I was kind of looking for right here. Beef loin. Yeah, I want this. But why is it just one right here? Well, we're gonna do this one. All right, we got our beef. Oh, this is where they were over here. Huh. I think I'm gonna get 2. I'm gonna get these 2, y'all. The
This one.
I don't even know how to say it. Shabu. I don't know. But I do like it being cut up like this because I can break this down. I saw something close to $30. Let me see. I don't know. Hold on. We'll do 37. I gotta get trash bags and then realize it. I think I'm gonna have to put these back because I am way over budget. Now the question is, do I put them back right here? I'm just gonna put them on this thing right here because we know that that's where the people that work here using this, so let them do it for a second. I can't take those all the way back over there, not right now. There's too many people in this store. So Yeah, and I just wanted to get a price on these pants to make sure they went on clearance because it wasn't a lot of them in there. So sometimes when it's like that, they're on clearance. Oh wow, I never knew that Kirkland's made freezer bags. This is good to know. I gotta go over this to be sure I'm not going over budget. Not that I had a budget coming in here, but just getting things that we need. These were $20. I don't think we need these right now. I'm gonna put these up. I have these workout pants right here, or just like some. I need pants where I could just wear them and then go walking in the morning time. I need more exercise stuff because I'm making excuses for why I'm not going to the gym. Oh, and I got some milk and some broccoli. And the butter was so expensive, but we need butter, so I'm gonna go back and get the butter. I want to get Jordan some Gatorade, but I really don't want to get. I just want to get the powdered kind. I might have to go to the regular store and get it because these, when I buy Gatorade, they tend to go real fast in my house, and I really just want them for sports when they playing, you know, some running around and stuff. But they don't have the powder crap. This is the part of grocery shopping that I hate, especially when my boys aren't here, because typically I will call them and say, hey, got some stuff in the garage. I completely forgot I got a nail appointment at 2 o'clock for a pedicure, and I still got to go home and put this nail back on. But I completely forgot, so I just left Costco. I came home and put some grapes and soaked the grapes in some baking soda real quick. And now I'm about to run and get my feet done because, baby, they need it. Look who came to join me. His brother dropped him off and we're getting our pedicure. But this is not his thing, but since he's an athlete, we definitely want to be sure that he takes care of his feet. So I got his phone, and y'all look at this. I'm on Snapchat. So what else am I? It's so stupid. Look at me. Ooh, I like this one. Uh-oh. I gotta turn it sideways. What? That makes it that might. Lay your hair back. How you like that? Tomorrow's Jordan's first game of high school. I'm so excited for you. I'm so proud of you. Car. Am I recording? Yeah, I am recording. We're in the car, and here, hold it this way. That way while I drive. Or you know, no, we can put it down here. So how was it? Okay. I don't like how it looks. Hold on. Like that. They can't see us. So how was it? Good. That was his first time getting his feet done. Sometimes guys aren't really big on getting that kind of stuff done, but I want to definitely share and make sure that he understands the importance of keeping his feet together as an athlete, for sure. Because, you know, the older you get, the more, you know, stuff start getting rough. So we just want to keep things under control. So do you think you're going to come back, Mr. Man? Uh-oh, hold on. So do you think you're going to come back? I think we should just be on a regimen. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So we got your food. Thank you. We got your food. Don't cover the thing you stole with your hand right there. He's holding it while I drop. God, I cannot find my tripod, and that's a problem. That is such a problem. But we are going to go home, and y'all gonna make your steak bites and some rice, and yeah, and then I think I'm gonna end the vlog because it's a new day, and I know I didn't do much today. Maybe I can record a little bit of doing this. No, I can't. I'm just gonna record me going home because I know the Falcons are playing right now, and Big O is a whole hot mess when the game is on. Hold on, baby. So This is where I don't like Justin and Jalen coming out at, or Jalen coming out. Yeah, so we're gonna go home and I'll give a little bit more of what I'm doing tonight. Okay, you can stop now. I can record a show. Yeah, I just want to show y'all my man threw down today. Look at this. Little light work. These are actually turkey necks, not oxtails. They're turkey necks. Some greens and rice. He loves to cook, and I'm here for it. But I'm not gonna record him too much because he did not give me permission today. I was talking about this in the last vlog. The DJI mobile something. I'm mad because I got mine from we got a Best Buy, right? And I spent over $100. I'm gonna put the link, and I put the link in the old video. Why is it $80-some at Amazon? So they gotta, I'm gonna take it back and then get a new, let them do a price adjustment or return it and get one off of Amazon. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and eat because I have not eaten. Okay, I have eaten and my man threw down. We are about to finish watching the game. The Falcons are losing right now, so child, anytime the Falcons lose, it's a whole issue. Listen, before I go I want to tell y'all, I'm not sure, well, I am sure because I know y'all watched it already, but I bought the Beats Flex when I was out of town, the real estate video. I bought these. I didn't like them at first, but I love the fact now that they just hang around your neck and it has like a little magnet so they stick together. And I can just put them in my ear whenever. So actually I was gonna return these, but they're a keeper. If you have not already, click that subscribe button. If you like what you see, I am a whole vibe. I'm just being Melanie. I'm a lot, and I'm just sharing my day to day. Right now I am doing a 30-day challenge where I post 30 videos in 30 days, and that's what this whole thing's about. So my vlogs will not always be this way, but for now they are, because I'm just challenging myself to change my mindset and to change my actions and to put in the work, because I want to be successful on YouTube and I want to be consistent on YouTube. So alrighty guys, I will see you tomorrow. Peace.